Alright, welcome to Module 3. In this module, our trainer will go over some useful content marketing tools. So, get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Fortunately, there are a lot of tools available that can take your content marketing strategy to the next level. By utilizing these tools, you'll be able to reach more people in your target market and drive more conversions than ever before. SEO tools. To increase organic traffic for your website and to gain a higher ranking in your search engines, you need to have a solid SEO strategy. The main aspect of having a successful SEO is by using the right keywords for your business blog. However, finding the right keywords isn't a mere guessing game. You need to have the right SEO tools for keyword research. Here are the best SEO tools you can use: Moz Pro, Ahrefs, SEMrush, WooRank, Google Keyword Planner. BuzzSumo. If you want to know what kind of content is trending in your industry, you can use BuzzSumo to research what topics your competition is writing about and how they market it. You can get content insights by identifying trending topics across all social networks. You can also run analysis reports, find industry leaders, and see what they've been sharing. Cred. Cred is a social scoring platform that allows you to find influencers that can spread awareness on your brand, particularly on social media. The platform measures a person's influence by analyzing Facebook and Twitter activity and rates credibility based on two criteria: influence and outreach. Not only is this a great tool for amplifying your message, but it also helps build your own influencer status as well. A higher cred score means that you have a larger online presence, and when your online presence increases, so will your content be. ClickFunnels. Sales funnels are essential if you want to produce highly effective conversions. ClickFunnels is a marketing automation tool that guides your site's visitors into a step-by-step process that converts them to leads to actual paying customers. What makes ClickFunnels the #1 choice for companies is its accessibility. Being a drag-and-drop platform, you can create high-converting sales funnel in just a few minutes. It also provides email and Facebook marketing automation, helping you generate more leads across these platforms. Canva. Who knew designing could be this easy? Canva has revolutionized graphic design by being a simple, drag-and-drop platform with user-friendly controls that allow individuals and teams to design anything from logos, social media content, documents, cards, and more. With thousands of pre-built templates and layouts, creating infographics and visuals for your readers will be a piece of cake. Hootsuite. Of course, you want to be able to share consistent content across all your social handles. But doing so can be so tedious. Look no further. Hootsuite will take care of it for you. Hootsuite is a social media scheduling platform that helps you schedule and post content on different social media platforms in just a few clicks. It also has a built-in spell checker to ensure that all your posts are grammatically correct. In video. Nowadays, more and more people are preferring to watch videos rather than reading. This is why video marketing is another strategy that businesses should focus on. InVideo is an online video editor that helps you to create professional video content for your product or service. With a massive library of media, music, and effects combined with its easy-to-use software, you can create professional HD videos in just 5 minutes. InVideo provides all your creation needs packed in one simple platform. A high-converting content marketing strategy is one of the biggest factors to determine the growth and success of your business. Content marketing helps you to become a trusted authority to get information allowing you to become more visible on search engines. It also creates better traction on social media, generates more leads, and improves your conversions. With brand awareness, you'll be able to convert people to become brand advocates. If you haven't done any of the things discussed, now is the time. If you already have an existing strategy, apply the tips and use the tools mentioned to elevate your approach. When you have a solid, consistent strategy, you'll create a strong brand reputation that will take your business to new heights.